Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a watermark on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to zoom in real quick on this green screen. You can use any green screen you want. Type in like your username or your watermark or whatever. And then go and add in a shadow. Select this export still frame. And make sure you import it to project. Then you are going to add like a video underneath that. Let's see, which video do I want to add? Okay, I'll just add this one. Add in that like username watermark. Then go to cutout and select chroma key and adjust the strength and the shadow. And then copy and paste it. Select both, right click, create compound clip. Go back to cutout, chroma key, color picker, and select the green bit and adjust the shadow. Then go to basic and just scale it down. It's not very visible because the background is pretty dark, but if I put it there, you can kind of see it. You can even go to adjustments and adjust the saturation and brighten it up a little bit here. You can adjust the contrast, maybe like the highlights, and sharpen it up. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.